Are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? A solid business plan is your blueprint for success. It can help you secure funding and guide your operations. Today, we'll break down how to create one, step by step. First, let's define what a business plan is. A business plan outlines your business goals, strategies, and how you will achieve them. It's essential for both startups and existing businesses. Start with your executive summary. This section is the first thing people will read. It should highlight your business idea, vision, and mission statement. Aim for clarity and brevity. This section sets the tone for the rest of the plan. Next, describe your business. What products or services will you offer? Who is your target audience? Clearly explain your unique selling proposition. This shows potential investors why your business stands out. Now, let's look at market analysis. Research your industry, target market, and competitors. Presenting data strengthens your case. Explain trends and insights that affect your business. This section helps you understand your position in the market. Then, it's time for the organizational structure. Outline the management team and ownership. Include their qualifications and experience. This builds trust and credibility with readers. Next up is your marketing strategy. How will you reach your audience? Discuss pricing, promotions, and distribution channels. A solid marketing strategy demonstrates how you'll grow your customer base. Now let's talk about funding. Detail your financial projections and funding requirements. Include income statements, cash flow, and balance sheets. Be realistic and justify your financial needs. This information is crucial for attracting investors. Finally, summarize your plan. Recap your key points and reinforce your main message. Your conclusion should leave a strong impression. Remember, a business plan is a living document. Review and update it regularly as your business grows. Now that you know how to create a business plan, it's time to act. Start drafting your plan today. You have the knowledge and tools to succeed. Like and subscribe for more tips on business success. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know how your business plan is going.